What we're gonna do today, we're going to install the mud flaps. I bought the Rally Armor brand. These are flexible and the whole kit comes with the hardware, the instructions, and you're not supposed to do any drilling on them. This is pretty much the reason that I picked them up. The first step that I did is, you see the letters right here, the Rally Armor with the logo. They give you instructions which one is for where, but it's pretty obvious the thickest one is going to be for the back, skinny one for the front. The first step what I did is remove all the letters from the company, and what I did, I used a little bit of a nail polish remover with a little bit of cotton. It came out pretty easy, simple. And after I removed the letters, I put a GR sticker on it. So today we're going to start with the installation of the mud flaps on the GR Corolla. I bought the Rally Armor brand. I removed the letters on it and I just put a GR sticker. It looks more neat and it makes sense with the car. So pretty much this is how it's gonna look like. And there's two ways to do it. You can remove the tire, maybe to get more access, or you can do it without removing the tire. I'm gonna go with the fastest way. We're not gonna remove the tire. I'm gonna show you step by step how to. First step, I already play around with this. Just go with a pry tool and get these two clips. They're underneath the bumper right here, these two. Wanna just try to keep the pin in place. If anything, we will have to replace it if it breaks. Let's see. Okay, so the clips are removed. Now we're gonna place the bracket. The bracket is gonna go, this part over here is gonna go inside because it has to match with the fastener. And these little clips are going to go on this area. Let me take this out a little bit. As they recommended, you see this is completely straight. You just want to bend this just a tiny bit. So pretty much the only bracket that's going to hold is this one here. Now we go here. Align this area. And that's it for the bracket hold. Okay, so this is where we at. I'm going to bend this a little bit, place this underneath, and put back the fasteners. For the other part, the bracket is marked over there. You guys can see RR. We are right, and this one is gonna go into this hole right here. Now we're gonna continue. We're gonna follow the instructions. This piece of foam, we're gonna add it right on this area. Comes with a little sticky pad. Okay, now we have the adhesive place. So we have the adhesive place on this one. And on this one, we're gonna just push and make it fit through here. We have the screws. That's the 1SS number 8. Come 2 of them. And this is the one that's gonna go here. Of course, gonna put a washer on it. So let's go ahead and take care of this. Okay, so this is really interesting because I was having a hard time and I said like, okay, why this doesn't fit at all? And then I realized this has been marked wrong. This one says left rear. It's not the left rear, this is the right rear. And see the position on this one. Hence the other one. The one is marked for the rear right. It gets too far away and it doesn't grab into the mud flap. So besides paying attention to the marking, make sure this part, it doesn't go all the way outside. It has to go on the inside, just like this. Okay, let's continue. Now we're going with the correct one. And the flat part is going towards the mud flap. And we have the rear one installed. Now we're gonna move to the front one. Okay, so now we're gonna continue. And we're gonna start, this part is gonna be underneath. It's gonna have this thick washer and it's gonna go with the screw. It's gonna replace this one. So now we're gonna continue. We have this piece of foam and the longest screw is gonna go right here on the hole number 2. Number first, it's gonna be a short screw. Put this together. foam. Gonna go like this. This is the washer nut. Okay, there you go. So you're gonna remove the washer. Much better. And here it is, our final product. Easy to install, no drilling required. Let's take a look at the front. It looks just like that. So if you have any questions or anything, please don't hesitate to write them down. I reply to all the comments. And I'll see you guys next time.